Hi, I'm Justine Louise. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing a FabFitFun box. This is my first one. This is the winter box. Now I have subscribed to FabFitFun before, quite a few years ago actually. I live in Canada, if you're not familiar with me, and our dollar took a nosedive about 3 years ago, I think it is. So it made this box incredibly expensive because I think at that we have been around 30%. So you add 30% to all your items and then shipping, etc., etc. It just wasn't really worth it, even though the boxes were lovely. I just thought it was a little bit expensive. So anyway, our dollar has been getting a little bit better. It's not great. I think it's about 20%. But I did see somebody open this box, the winter box for December, and I thought, you know, I'm going to buy another one because I do enjoy getting these boxes, and there was an item in here that I really liked. So, and it was something that I had been wanting to try, so I just thought, I'll just splurge and see how it goes, and you can always cancel. But for now, I'm going to open it, so I will let you know I have seen an opening of one of these, but I think it was early in December, so I can't really remember what was in it. And I will also let you know, because I'm in Canada, it does take quite a while. Like I think I ordered this early December. I believe it was shipped around the 13th, and I got it yesterday, which was the 28th. And I know there was Christmas in there and holidays, but it does take quite a while to get here. It just sits in customs and all that kind of stuff. But if you're Canadian and order from the US, you know the drill. So anyway, let's get started. So it came in this neat green box. I kind of thought they would make it a little bit more holiday-ish, or at least snowflakes or something. But anyway, it's fine. It's lovely. And I've unsealed it, but I'm just going to pop it open. So same as some of the other boxes, you get a little magazine kind of brochure thing that's all about FabFitFun. I believe they have a website where you can even order all kinds of stuff. So anyway, you get a little booklet. And in here it says the American Heart Association. On the front it did actually say FabFitFun supports women's heart health. So I don't know if they do a different charity every time. I don't know, but for now it's Heart Association. So I believe that they probably donate some of the proceeds to there, which is always nice, and especially for women's charities. This is beautifully packaged. I'll just quickly show you. It's all sealed. So this would make a beautiful gift. I know it's actually a little bit expensive, but if you're buying someone a present, if somebody it's difficult to buy for, this is always a nice idea, either subscription or just once. It's plenty. Ooh, so let's start with this. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray from This Works. Fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. I'm always looking for sleep aids that aren't prescriptions or even medications. I just like natural things. I did just buy one from Sage, and I'm loving it. It's kind of a lavender, and this is very similar. It's a lavender scent, which is always a winner for me. So I'll probably just spray this on my pillow before bed. Very nice. It's a nice package too. It's modern white. Very nice. So I'm happy with that. Very nice. Now this was the item I wanted. It's from Kate Sommerville, and it's the ExfoliKate. It is the 50 ml, which is quite a large size. I know this is very expensive at Sephora. So I've always wanted to try her exfoliating products. I've just heard so much about it, and then this was a perfect opportunity. So I will let you know what I think of it. I always need to exfoliate. I over exfoliate my skin because it needs it so much, and I do use Retin-A products, so I need to scrub off all those flaky bits in the morning. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Ooh, now this is another thing. This was a necklace, 8 other reasons. Everybody has reasons, for the lovers, for the dreamers, and for all the right reasons. Okay, so it looks like a silver, it's called 9 Lives choker, and it's rhodium. Let's have a look here. I don't know if I would necessarily wear this. I'm more of a gold person, but it's very pretty. It's kind of a beaded necklace, like a choker style, with a bit of a lariat at the bottom. So yeah, no, it's quite pretty. Yeah, I will actually wear this. And it has a adjustable chain, so you can make it a little bit longer if you're wearing a sweater or something. Yeah, that's very, very pretty. I always love wearing jewelry, especially delicate, dainty things. They're always a hit with me. So yeah, that's very pretty. Very happy with that. Let's see. Moisture Healing Mask from Nelson of Beverly Hills. Ooh. Detangles, controls frizz, so it's a hair product. Seals split ends, restores silkiness and shine, enhances natural body, and it's coconut scented, which is always good. So after shampoo and after moisture healing mask to towel dried hair. So it sounds like a leave-in conditioner. Argan oil as well. My hairdresser always says to put argan oil on my hair. Doesn't smell anything great. A little bit coconutty, like coconut oil. Yeah, so that's not a false coconut. I don't like synthetic coconut smells. So yeah, this is very nice. Nelson Beverly Hills, and it's 100 ml. I'm thinking I probably should have told you the prices. And these will be American dollars, obviously. So the first thing was, so that Nelson, this is a $23 value. The necklace is a $58 value. Wow. So that's a nice gift. The Deep Pillow Spray was a $29 value. And the Kate Sommerville, I don't see it here. Sorry. Oh, here we go. It doesn't say the price. Anyway, I know it's expensive because I've bought it, or I've looked at it at Sephora, so I know. AHAVA, and this is a special size. It's a 150 ml, and it's a hand cream. Wow, it's a big size. Won't be great for my purse or anything, but I'll definitely keep it next to the sink in the kitchen or something. Mineral hand cream, and this one is called the Water Scent. And this is oh yeah, here it is, $33. Wow. It's sealed, so I'm not going to open it right now because I have a lot of hand creams on the go at the moment, so I don't want to open it just yet. But it's very nice, very large size, so I'm very happy with that. So far, this has paid for itself. I believe this box was $49 US. So yeah, that's great. And socks. This is another thing I was very excited about when the lady opened it. So they're those, I call them eyelash socks. I don't know what the real name is. They're called Post-Workout Collection Aloe Infused Cozy Sock. So I love wearing cozy socks like this. I wear hunter boots a lot. I live in the west coast of Canada. It's always raining. Like today it is bucketing down. So my hunter boots tend to be my footwear of choice. And they're not lined. I don't have those liners in them. So I always like to wear fuzzy, cozy socks, but they can't be too thick. So these are going to be great. And I love the color. I love pink. So there we go. And these are a $19 value. So I'm happy with those. And this looks big. It's in a box. It's called a homemade 15-ounce ceramic mug. I always love mugs. I have too many mugs. My stepdaughter bought me a gorgeous mug for Christmas, and I love it. It's clear glass. It's from Starbucks. But I just love, I can't, so I think when I get one new, I should get rid of one, but I just can't because I love them all. I have ones with puppies and cats, and I like fine bone china cups, and I can't. So anyway, my cupboard is now jammed with mugs. So now I have another one, but that's okay. I love mugs. So let's have a look at this one. So it's in a nice, beautiful box if you were wanting to maybe re-gift if it wasn't for you. And it says coming in hot. Oh dear. Okay, I don't know what that means. But anyway, it's a nice kind of an ombre black mug. And it's a nice size. I think it says about 8 or 10 ounce. And it comes in a nice little box. So it might be nice if you're giving a gift or whatever. But I always love mugs, as I mentioned. And this one has a $16 value. And I see there was a couple of different colors and choices. So mine is the ombre black and white. And there's also a teal one, like a Tiffany, this kind of color. And then a pink one with a red heart. So that's the one I got. And let's see what this is. Oh, it's in bubble wrap. breakable, something good. What's this? Looks like a palette. Wow, a very nice heavy-duty palette called DOUCCE, maybe? DOUCCE. Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette in Smoky or Nude. Please be nude, please be nude. And I got the nude. Yay! Wow, this is very nice. There's a couple of matte shadows, and this looks like a nice highlighter. There's a white and then a nice kind of a banana kind of a color, which would be nice all over the lid. And these gorgeous peach colors. And I can see that the colors pop out, so they must be magnetized. Yeah, they snapped in, so it's definitely magnetized. This is a gorgeous palette and a beautiful mirror. Wow. This is very, very nice. I'm not going to swatch them right now. Well, yeah. Very nice. Very soft. Not super, super pigmented, but very nice. Wow. And there's a nice highlighter, and it's got a cover on it, so you're not going to get sparkle all over the place. Very nice and beautifully packaged. Wow. Love that. And that has a $70 value, and it says you can apply dry for a natural finish or apply wet for a long-lasting dramatic look. Well, you know, I won't be doing that. But anyway, I love it. This is gorgeous. It looks very luxe. Very happy. Very, very nice. And I believe this is last but not least. And I did see this on the other YouTuber, and it looks like it's a shawl, which I love. I love scarves and warm, cozy things. As I mentioned, I live on the west coast of Canada. It's always cold, raining. This is very nice, beautiful grays. It's like kind of a wrap poncho. Yeah, I love this color. Yeah, this is definitely going to be used and loved. And it looks like you can wear it the other way as well. Definitely will be wearing this when it's not raining. I love this look. I think it looks so elegant, and it's just easy to throw on, nice and warm, and your hands are free, and it's just very, very nice. Now let's see what this one says. BB Dakota Poncho in black charcoal or mulberry. So I got the charcoal. There's another one, it's kind of a navy burgundy and kind of a mauve, so I'm glad I didn't get that one. I really like it. And then a black and gray, which is exactly the same as this. So I'm very happy with the color they chose for me. Also, I should mention with these cozy socks, they added a color selection of different shades of blue and different shades of black and gray. So they sent me the pink, and I love the pink, so I'm very happy. So all in all, I love this box, and it was definitely worth the money. Definitely. I know they sometimes inflate what these items really would cost, but even so, this palette is spectacular. And the mug, and as I mentioned, the main reason I bought it was for this Kate Sommerville. I know this is very expensive at Sephora, so I'm finally getting an opportunity to try it, and it's 50 ml, which is quite a nice large size. So anyway, all in all, I am very happy with this box, and I'm definitely going to keep my subscription going. So if you're interested, stay tuned, and I will be posting the next box, which I guess will be sometime in the spring. I'm not quite sure. This was the winter box, so these went out at the end of November for everybody. So I'm looking forward to getting the next one. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit like. And if you'd like to see more beauty content, I open boxes. I have a BC box that's local to Canada that I open quarterly. And I also do all my favorite beauty items and hauls and all that kind of good stuff. So if you're interested, please subscribe so that you will stay current with what's happening with me. And I hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.